Lesson number 8, final organizing. See, you have all your different information you did from sketching in 2 dimensions and talking about relations to sizes and humans and where, and talking about maybe relations to other products that is important that they may work together. You had some physical information that you need to add, and probably maybe also some emotional things. But now we have to organize them into one selected drawing, one illustration. And I ended up doing this, and I'll show that directly. We have in this corner up here, we have the solution as a product idea. We have a relation to a human, a relation to what is going on, that this is a size that relates to some stoma form and size. We have an idea that this is the idea that we should use, measuring chart. I call it base plate and hole size. Maybe it's easy to say like this. I say printed paper, info chart, and some information, maybe it's also some information help. It should be in the box of the bag, and it should be printable maybe also, circular holes, and so and so. It should also fold, so it could relate to something I know. This is information that came out of this. I didn't say that this should relate to the cellular phone and so. I just kept to that this should fold. That was my initial ending idea. I also added some information that you need to add, besides the headline and everything. Add a name and a date. It's also important when you do sketching. I did have to go through this also. I did this before to see how much space did I need, and I came from these drawings. So actually I had to go through these things, these steps, to finalize this. But when you see the end of it, the end result, then that is what made you happy, and that's why you're saying, okay, it's worth it. Suddenly I have some information I can build on. There are one important thing about this. There are, when you add the words and information, there are facts. The product has to be soft, printable, in the box. Then there are some emotional, maybe some emotional things. It has to be human friendly, female, maybe. It has to be exclusive anyway. It has to have some feelings to it, something that you can relate to if you are maybe female or male. That it has to relate to maybe different sexes and so. So these 2 things, emotional and facts, can be things that you have to separate when you add your words and add your text. But in general, you will end up doing something like this, or separating things and having them in different areas of your solution illustration, and that will help everybody to understand it when they read a supporting text in the website like this, maybe some supporting text saying about different areas, and then finally I can compare it to this. You'll have a very good description of your solution, and people will be able to comment it and have fun doing it. I hope you enjoyed doing this little class, and good luck and enjoy. And remember, just do it, just draw, and don't worry about doing 10 drawings to finalize the result. Do it quick, and then organize and have fun. Good luck.